Greetings to all. I am Muskan Batra from 9th F from Neelavati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, and today I am here to present my idea. Many people are fond of keeping small plants at their home. Many people are also fond of keeping small herbs in kitchen, but they can't do it because of lack of space. Moreover, expensive planters increase the cost of plantation as well. So I have come up with an idea. I have made this garden on pulleys. This is a vertically hanging garden made up of recycled plastic bottles as planters. You can keep many plants in it. It can also be used as a kitchen garden. It not only solves the problem of space and costs, but also it is eco-friendly as plantation increase the oxygen in environment, and these plastic bottles are also recycled, contributing to recycling of plastic waste. So this is highly scalable, and we can also present it as a business idea. This is made up of recycled plastic planters supported by a pulley. You can pull down whenever you need to pluck something or plant something new. As it also solves the problem of space and cost. And not only this, it is also environment friendly and can encourage more and more people to plant more trees. This is highly scalable and cost efficient, making it a great business idea. So this was my effort for promoting plantation of more and more trees. Thank you. Have a nice day.